Hey guys, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris.
And we're with Monsters and More.
So today we're going to do a little tutorial on the two-piece Wicked Woods animated LED Burlap Twins, which is really not much. It's just going to get them out and turn them on.
Well, I was super excited. This was my purchase because these are what I wanted. I have the Sitter of Souls, so I wanted these little guys to go with them. So let's get them out and see what they look like. Oh, and they're adorable. They are so stinking cute.
They're about Jen's height. That's why she likes them.
Look at them. So it looks like the only thing they do is just go into the poles where their feet's at down here.
And then it looks like this cord runs out of this one into that one.
So it says indoor, outdoor, which mine are going to be outdoor. Because I'm going to put them, like I said, with the Sitter of Souls out in the pumpkin patch we do every year.
But I think they're going to be cool.
Yeah, I think this will be a new little, good little addition.
Let's see what they do.
Something terribly wicked is coming this way. Will you stay or run away? We would really like you to stay. Because we're just dying to play with you.
And you can adjust their arms, twist them, move them. They are bendable.
191, the soul sweet take. 2 by 2, they'll never wake. 3 by 3, you'll join the rest. Forever trust our morbid guest.
I don't care what nobody says. That's freaking cool.
I like them.
They are. We also seen the little bitty, was it the little couple, skeleton couple was pretty cool that they come out with this year too.
Yeah.
But we didn't get those, unfortunately. We had to make decisions.
No. I like them.
What are you doing here? Yeah, we were here first. You better go somewhere else fast, else you will be deserted.
And it does say that they spoke 5 different phrases.
We heard a noise from under your bed. It whispered secrets, the things you dread. We crept down quiet, without a sound. Now look whose nest we finally found. It's you!
Yeah, those are
And
definitely
it looks
cool.
like they can do a white only, and it has a timer on it.
Yeah, so they'd be 6 hours on and
Yeah,
18 off.
I like them.
Yeah, that'd be cool, and especially if you have some of the burlaps, and we do. We got from Home Depot that goes, you know, that are kind of made like this. The pumpkins are, and set them around it, and that'd be cool with that. And the Sitter of Souls, and unfortunately we don't have the slasher, but it is for sale this year too. And the Sitter of Souls, both are on the Home Depot website. So
Yeah.
you already get these and then order them and you'll have a great setup.
I think it'd be cool.
All right, guys, thanks. We appreciate it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you great content. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.